Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you are here today. And today for this video, we are going to do a very easy turkey cupcake. If you just want to come up with something cute to do for your kids or even for your guests the day of Thanksgiving, I think this is a great idea.
You will need cupcakes, and you can go ahead and bake them yourself or just purchase your favorite kind of cupcakes. As you can see, I went with the store-bought option. We are going to basically get rid of this and transform them into turkey cupcakes.
You also need
some Nutter Butter cookies.
I'll be trying them for the first time. I've never tried them before. Some chocolate frosting, any brand, any kind, your favorite, you decide. I will be using the milk chocolate one.
Candy corn and edible candy eyeballs.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is get rid of the frosting. We are going to get rid of it completely because we are going to add our chocolate frosting to it. And don't worry about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to go ahead and hide it with the other frosting. So I'm just getting rid of all this like this. And some are easier to get rid of than others. Like this one just came off almost completely. Now we have our cupcakes. So after getting rid of that frosting, we are going to use our chocolate or milk chocolate frosting to go ahead and decorate our cupcake. We just have to make sure we cover it fully. After we put the frosting, the chocolate frosting on our cupcake, we are going to work on the little turkey body. And what I like to do first is go ahead and work on his eyes. Go ahead and kind of glue them on with the chocolate frosting, making sure that they stick. And I'm just doing it with my fingers. As you can see, there goes the very first one. Something so fun you can make for your kids, or you can even have your kids help you make them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the tip of the candy corn, the very tiny tip. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and basically glue it as well with the frosting. Look at our little turkey. It's starting to look so cute. Put your little turkey, like insert it in the middle of your cupcake, and you can push it all the way down, like all the way to the middle. Okay, so with our candy corn, you can use as many as you want. And I'm gonna go ahead and start basically inserting them all around my cupcake, as many as you want. And my cupcake is kind of falling apart. They've been out of the refrigerator for a while. What we want to do is insert your candy corn all around it, and you can put as many as you want. You see how fast and easy this was? So let me try another one. It looks a little bit better.
Okay guys, look at how cute these turkey cupcakes came out. It's a very easy and fun idea everyone will love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. And I hope to see you soon in another video.